Clio Sport. This in particular is Clio 172 Mark II Phase 2. I bought this car 4 or 5 years ago to do a private raffle, but then I've been advised against doing so by some people because it was basically you need licenses and everything like that. And I was like, you know what, maybe it's a good idea. So this Clio has just literally been sitting in my yard. You've probably seen it in my videos, just doing absolutely nothing. I was thinking of what to do with this. It's time to fix it up and give it to one of you guys. I'm not doing a private raffle. I'm going to be using one of those websites that do everything for you. So you know it's legit. I'm not the one who is doing anything. You basically just buy whatever the tickets. I'm not sure how much they're going to cost. I don't have a link yet. But the idea is that we're going to build it, sort of. In those videos with you guys, I'll do a few tutorials. It needs a few things done to it. Would you like me to run through what I want to do with it? First thing first, it's totally standard Clio 172. So engine-wise, there's two options, and you can choose now, depending how well this video is going to go. What would you like to do? My original plan was put a turbo engine. I have a turbo engine from the previous car. So we're gonna turbo it, low boost turbo, around 230 bhp, whatever. So we'll put a different engine with a turbo thing, whatever, and you'll get a turbo car. Or another one is literally keep it stock 172, open for you to do whatever you want with it. All I would need to do is there's three things that is wrong with this car currently that I know of. Alternator doesn't charge. Could be a fuse, could be a wire. I didn't even look at it. The power steering is leaking, so it leaked all the fluid. So I need to either replace some hoses or the rack. And then the third thing is the belts. The belts haven't been done, well, not by me, and I have no idea when they've been done. So it's been sitting for 4 years, let's say. Definitely needs to be done. So I'll do the full belts on it. So in essence, those two things that need to be fixed, and the belts, and you have a fully running engine. The car runs, starts the first time. Would you like to hear it? I mean, I drove the car here 3 days ago. There was a little bit of moisture, so we're just currently drying it out. So I know it runs. Let's hear it. Here we go. As you can see, the only thing is the power, the battery, and yeah, it runs absolutely sweet. I think it has a D-cut, basically no catalytic converter, but hey, I'm not gonna put a standard cut back on, so we're gonna keep it as is. So it runs. We know it runs. Obviously the engine bay needs a bit of a cleaning up. You know, you have all of this stuff and everything. So those are the two options: turbo engine or keep it like this. Let me know in the comments, what would you like to win? Obviously there is going to be a different price in them if we're keeping it like that. I value this car, after I'm done with it, around 2,500, 3 maybe. Wait, you're probably saying, what are you smoking, Rusky? Wait, with a turbo, I'm thinking around 5. And if we limit to, let's say, 100 tickets, 50 a ticket, probably too much. 1,000 tickets, £5 a ticket, something like that. What I was thinking of doing, the car is cosmetically not perfect. There's a few sort of scratches on the roof. So I was thinking, make carbon roof. So I'll fit the carbon roof to this car. And obviously, the carbon roofs that I sell, they're around, what, 850 plus VAT. The full price is not going to be reflected on the price of the car afterwards. It's basically almost like my gift. So in essence, all I will add is pure materials of the roof, which is around, can't remember, 350, 400 or something like that. So that's purely what is going to be based. I might do the bonnet because I need to do a new bonnet. So I will be making a mold. So it will have a bonnet and most likely the boot. So 3 of those parts will be carbon fiber. I'm not going to do the bumpers. I'm not going to do the wings or doors or anything like that. Not needed. And interior, just gonna clean it all up and everything like that. And Yeah, I'll see what wheels I have. I'm not sure. It's not going to be anything special. Okay-ish road tires. We're not going to put semi-slicks or anything like that, so you don't expect that. But yeah, should be a really interesting project. There's quite a few things I need to tackle, and there's going to be quite a few videos that we can both enjoy. Interior is standard, and the best thing about this car is that it's almost rust-free. I cannot see any rust. If you can see underneath, there is almost nothing. It's all nice and clean and solid. A few minor places here and there. I mean, it's an old car, but overall I'm very happy with this car. You know, it runs nice and sweet, starts the first time. So yeah, how do you like this? Would you participate? Would you like to win a Rusky build Clio? Sort of build, replenished, revamped, rebirthed, shall we say. Yeah, Rusky needs funding. There's some plans. I'm gonna reveal it in one of the further videos. They're still in talks, but this will, every single penny is gonna go towards that ultimate goal that I am envisioning. Anyways, let me know what you think. And Turbo versus NA, what would you like? Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.